guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be a full to whatever this game is. I already unlocked this. I opened this tutorial, so that's why I have this. 3, 2, 1, go! Speed run.
Ang Swedish,
Oh yeah.
Thai, at Shatsu. I believe ito ay kailangan ng tao pag hindi na tayo na-relax masyado. I believe pinupunta natin sa mga spa. I
Yes.
believe pwedeng gawin ito ng babae, lalaki o ng membro ng LGBT
I'm gonna be torpedoed.
community. Ito ay uri ng masahe or massage. And thank you. Ang Swedish, Thai, Shatsu,
damn it.
mga uri ng anong pamparelax, masahe or massage is Tupacaray!
Pasok na sa next round, candidate number 2.
Candidate number 1, ipagpili ko sa akin lang yung talak or talak ng lotlok.
I believe kahit
Mami, quiet mo yan. Ingay sa buwag ko eh.
akong jowa na nag-aantay sa maamo kumuka at isa bulto ng
So
mga
cool.
gabi. At sa pagbabalik ko, make sure na dalawa kayo ay wala na, baka pagbantaan ng mga ninong sa labas.
Okay.
And
Ay.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 1.
Day.
Halimaw, makakatanggap ka pa rin ng 5,000 pesos.
Ah!
Sa level of talakan sa magbalik ng Arsha.
Yeah, I skipped that. Oh yes. Freeze. I want that. Yes. Skater dude. Yes, he's the. Oh yeah. He's cool. He's gonna give me more money than these weird people. Let me just give me money. Yes. Can we look at this dude?
Never ending nating Friday hangout dito sa
Yes,
Showtime Online!
Yeah! Talak lang ng talak using our hashtag Showtime Q&A.
Oh yeah. I'm rich.
Ang daming gana.
Kaya naman ngayon ay wala sila.
Oo. Tayo kwentuhan at kwentuhan mamaya.
Pero bago lahat, batiin ko lang happy 70th birthday Zaster K. Mendoza. Yan, student athlete of National Academy of Sports. Let's go, happy
Oh
birthday.
yeah.
Sa natin ni Miss Pay.
I'm very fast now.
Happy birthday po. At happy graduation kay Jana Alanis Chu.
Happy graduation, Jana!
Graduate na siya, tuloy na talaga yun.
Tuloy na.
Last year kasi hindi.
Tuloy na.
Sige po.
Kadali na ng konti. Jana, pakita
Just
Yes, so
Single.
magbasa ka tayo mga tweets ng ating mga madlang online-ers, mga live chat, comments na patingin nga using our official hashtag for the rin hashtag
Jim
Showtime.
dude, skater dude, gamer.
Sige.
Damn it.
Ano mga chika natin mga madlang online-ers dyan?
Yan, ang dami lang
This
comments.
guy
Sa
again.
dami lang na wait lang. Ay, yes. Lang ba yun? Sorry.
Tumpaka-nerd!
Damn it.
Sa ating 142,000 sa Showtime online YouTube channel, thank you so much!
Ito po.
Ano ba mga chika dyan?
Sabi nilang opinion. Sabi ni Gudo. 19 lang siya, relax guys. Pero listen to
Oh,
your
that's-
parents,
oh, yeah.
number 1.
Uy, tama yung chika din ni Meme kanina ha, na kapag ka gano'n,
Wait, I wasn't ready.
May age limit, dapat may
Day,
time limit din
August.
tayo.
Oo, magets pa yun eh.
O eto, baka wala limit sa kimutan na may join sa akin para ma-emas ngayong buong linggo na sa walang kaba magtatag-isa sa gilid ang ating Madlang
Okay, I'm ready.
Parang madam naman si
Go
Madam.
here.
Ano pong pangalan ninyo?
I visited it
Bambi!
Parang si ano, and the breadwinner is...
Correct! Ano pong pinagkakabilangan ni Mama?
Wow!
Chef sa Australia.
Wow.
Ano pong special?
Cyboids, a ninja, a manchu artist, a gymnastic. What? How that swell? It's cookie.
May nutrition siya, no?
So,
hospital, madami talagang
Like
special
more
diets.
this one.
What is your name?
Jazz from SBS City.
Wow! Ilan taon na si Jazz?
20 something.
20-something. Eto ang tanong.
Oh,
Magaling ba kayong bumembo?
ayan na.
Pwede naman, pwede siguro.
Wow!
Lalaban.
Naman, kaya naman. Kaya po na na. Let's go!
I need more money to buy this gamer. I need one. What is this? Like, what is that?
Digi-digi-dong.
Ay, kaya.
Ding-dong.
Mami, bilis na mo!
Go. Energy pa, energy. Come on. Dong.
Digi-digi-ding.
Ooh. Yun talaga siya sumasayaw. Nakatila ako.
Mababawala? Todo. Isa pa. You wanna
No,
know?
that was the best. What's this?
Ay!
What's up?
Grabe naman yun. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you ba? Dahil dyan ang panalo for this round ay si Ma'am Maki! Meron Paulina! Siyempre natin Jazz, meron ka rin kay Monday.
Wait, what's this?
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Pero eto na nga, wait lang na. Tutok naman ako dahil sa babalik pa po kami dito lamang sa
Yay!
Thank you!
People, give me more money. Thank you. Next one. 2 million.
Welcome back to
No!
Hinihintay namin at sila'y makakain.
Damn it.
Archer Runners, kapatid.
Oh god, I need to do like this. Hmm?
O hindi naman ba singer ha? Kapag actor, host, singer. Dapat meron na. O bukas meron ng singer ha.
No!
OPM Showbiz
No.
Ready and Binibini Kurma, Karir!
Wait a minute.
And Binibini on point! Ang tawag ng
How
takahalan
did
Queen!
he go?
Namunera pero walang shot, Nicole Cordobes!
Oh yes.
I love your outfit! Bakit? Ang sweet, ang lambot, ang bango.
What?
Simulan natin ang talaan.
Go, go!
Late number 3,
Oh
Sandara Pay.
yeah.
Sandara!
Sandara Pay. But wait, curious di ba hindi nila alam paano mo sinabi sa kanila punta tayo ng show? Kasi sasabihin.
Oh yeah.
So nagkakaibigan na siya. As the weeks, medyo nagkakaibigan talaga sila. Pero minsan talaga
Go ah!
pero alam nila mo sila
Gate, gate. Go. Good ah.
question, sa bahay, anong pangalan na ginagawa? Ano tawag sa
Tutu. I didn't realize that. Realize that I pounded. I doing. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna go here. Yes. What is this? Have a mind. Ow! Ow! I just touched the lava.
Parang pag nanalo ko ngayon, may inuman si Erman. Ay, sure yan. Kasi libre. May inuman dati.
Wow! There's so much
Pero may
lava.
siya recently kasi nagkasakit.
Okay. Good.
So, eto na.
For me, walk. Eating.
Ryan and Diet, pasok!
Wow! The best ones are
Fresh!
the second and Cow, I just quit. See what? What the? It goes to people. Wow!
Fresh!
Messed it up.
Fresh kayo today.
Wow! Wow!
Fresh
Me.
pa mga jokes. Sino mo yung joke? Ryan ba? Ako muna, Danny. Ilagay mo na dyan
Damn
yung
it.
ano si
I think you didn't realize it's another Robbie. That Robbie was alright. I'm regarding alright to say.
Bakit?
I'm an Robbie master.
Bakit lang?
Oh. How did I die?
Kasi gumagamit siya na
Oh, I got the great. Ow.
Dapat bakit yung magaling sa mga?
No! Why? Keep always... I need to skip this.
Sino kayo magaling sa
Shortcut. I wish this is shortcut.
Kasi ate
To accept
Bakit ulo mo sa sarili mo?
this. I wish this always
sinabi ko yan,
harder and harder.
kaya hindi ba
I wish this always... What is this?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Sila ang
1,
priority
2,
natin.
3, 4, 5. No!
Wholesome tayo ngayon. Yes, correct.
What
Trying to be
the...
wholesome. Okay, so okay na yung joke na yan. Pili ka. Kanino gusto mong kumuha? Kay Ayon o kay Ayon? Kay Ryan.
Yeah?
Thank you guys. See you later.
See, Kayo! I forgot to jump. Why?
Question! Anong gagawin mo kung may fear of heights ka? Pero manananggal ka? Anong gagawin mo kung fear of heights ka? Pero manananggal ka? Answer!
I believe ba't lang people na nito kung gagawin ko, kung mananagal ako, kung may free fight naman ako. Sobrang simple lang. Hindi ko hahatiin yung katawan ko, hindi pa ako lilipad. But at the same time, ba't lang people, lagi po natin tatandaan, we should always conquer our
What is this? I need to finish this. Why is this always so hard?
it's you are sure. Kaya dapat kung ano sa tingin mo para sa'yo, at kung katakutan, kailangan tayo.
No way. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Again, matawagin natin si candidate number 2, Ratiosa de Venecia Sanchez.
Hi, winning. Anytime I want. And hot damn it, and quick. That's a sweet cut. All the way at the end, that tree. See?
Adam sa apat ko yan. Pagkaba yung anatomy namin, pababa. Adam sa apple namin, pababa. Okay. Ryan!
Wow! Are you serious? Why I keep always falling? This stupid thing is so bad. What the? Good.
Joke! Anong kakain?
Wala po eh. Bubelo pa
Oh, this one's gonna be good. No, ask Miss.
Picturean. Anong kakain ang magandang picturean?
Okay. Oh. How, bro? How was I supposed to beat that? Okay. Can I be masked? How? I just took. I'll just. Is anybody near Raspy? minutes. Raspy. I'm gonna beat Joy. World record.
Lalo pa?
Sa lahat ng hayop. Joke pa, borto ko sa hayop. Nakakawa yung boses.
Why keep pulling me? Damn it, I'm just gonna face you. And get.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Go, 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 please. Yes! Oh my.
Kaya paano tulog ng baka?
Ay, sila sister, hindi pa nakapunta ng Ocean Park. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung tsura ng sea lion. Parinig mo sa kanila.
Oh my, they do what I'm doing.
Yan po yung sea lion na Koreano. Okay, Radiosa, big na question.
One day down. You can upgrade them.
Thank you guys.
Thank God you can upgrade them.
Question. Kung nakusog ka, ano ba yung term na nakusog? Kung nakusog
Go, go, I need to be back.
magpapalaway ka ba sa kanya? Kung nakusog ka ng tik-tik, magpapalaway ka ba sa kanya? Answer!
I believe, kung nausog ako ng dictate, magpapalaway ba ako sa kanya? Most definitely yes. If that is the only way for me to get you, I would definitely take advantage of that.
Taho!
Regardless, kung siya ay something or someone na nakakatakot, or someone choose, I would
Opo.
take off the risk.
Taho!
Pwede ko maging option para mag-make compete pa ako sa
Ay, si Pix.
Siyempre po, marami tayong mga pagtiwala, marami po
Pix, ang dami na
for
na-spoil.
sure, if we face something that is dangerous and we think we can face it completely with all the effort and win it at the end of the day, then to do was one day or sooner or later, you will be the first you want to do. Thank you,
Ay. Okay, alamin natin ang komento ng ating mga Horado. Simulan natin kay Horado Carmel. What's up, mga people? Grabe! We are so blessed. Thank you sa ating mga sister. Live moment on Showtime. Ito yung talagang TV na gusto ko mapanood. Thank you for sharing your superhero moment. What a family! From Tondo, Manila. Kayo ay kahanga-hanga. I love it so much. Okay, sa darating, inaabangan ko yung mga sound effect mo na umpisa. Don't forget, kahit na talagang nagdrama tayo today and we are having a great day, put your personality there in the front. Kasi yun yung pinamaganda ba?
Hi, Jessica.
Yung mga sound effect mo nung nag-intro ka. So, ibalik mo yung flavor na yun. Gusto ko na nagulat ako sa sagot mo na hindi mo hahatiin ang katawan mo, eh bakit manananggal ka? So, parang doon pa lang, sabi ko, matapang ang tao ito. Tapos, instead of saying face your fear, sinabi mo, face your fright. So, nag-shift F70, Soros ka right there. Sabi ko, brilliant. Kaya lang, itahi-tahi mo pa ng mas mabuti. Pero nga naman, nahati katawan mo, so baka kaya hindi talagang kabit na kabit yung sagot mo. But I know you could do a better job. Good luck.
Hey, Horado Camille, at kayo pakinggan natin kung ano masasabi ni Horado, actor, host, singer, Ralph De Leon.
What's up, mga people? Basta naman tayo. Randiosa. I really like your answer. Ako today, na-surprise mo kung gaano ka talaga ka-eloquent. Na kwento mo kanina na sobrang na-set mo yung priorities mo. Your whole life, nag-aaral ka. You gave time to yourself to grow. And you really weren't patient. And I think I very much saw that sa sagot mo. And the way you carried yourself, parang, alam mo, kaya mo yun. Alam mo kaya mo gawin. But syempre, there's always room for improvement. There's always room to add a little bit more weight, a little bit more creativity. Pero, so far sa akin, it's good there!
This healing is
Hello, Madam Viva! And hello, ladies! Sandra Day, I love celebrating you today. And I was really hopeful with your answers.
Guys, I can't believe we made it this far, so if we done this round, then I'll be happy with it because we're only one level away.
Alright, everyone be on guard. Level 9 is the level before.
I wish next time I see you, if ever, you embrace the freedom that we are celebrating today. Yung acceptance and yung personality and emotion. Kasi when you get that magic, all else will follow. And you already have it. You have a very solid support system. And in Radiosa de Venecia Sanchez naman, I like that you worked with the question lang at hindi ka nagpa-pressure sa time. Kasi I think a lot of candidates forget na walang time limit itong portion na to. And at the end lang, nag-connect yung code mo, even if parang medyo slow burn yung answer mo na, pasok pa to or hindi, pupulahin lang ba kami? Pero connected siya just to make it stronger. Yung parang sinabi mo na to be who you're meant to be, ibalik mo sa taong hindi nausog or something like that para kumpleto siya ulit. So congratulations, ladies! Good luck with the both of you!
Thank you guys, thank you judges. Kanino talang akto bata? Our Miss Unity, Rina Talakero, today's candidate number... Two, Radiosa de Venecia Sanchez!
Hey, magsali sa darating, ikaw ay makakatanda pa rin ng 10,000 pesos.
I believe sa tamang talang corona yung mga cheat dito sa...
Wait,
Miss Unity, Rina Talakero.
I'm coming to.
Susunod na! Laro! Sa pagbabalik ka ng our show!
Our time, it's showtime!
save the game. Wait, I didn't realize I was still vlogging.